Still grinding through tasks that eat up your day? You're not alone, but you are falling behind. AI isn't just for tech pros anymore. It's for anyone who wants to get more done in less time. While most people waste hours on stuff AI can now do in seconds, the smart ones are automating and scaling. Here, I'm revealing 10 insanely useful AI tools that will save you hours, boost your productivity, and help you get ahead fast. No fluff, no hype, just tools that work right now, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end, you'll say, "Where has this been all my life?" Let's start. AI Tool 1. Let's start with Gamma. This tool helps you build slide decks, documents, and even simple web pages by using plain text prompts. You don't need to spend time choosing fonts, lining up text boxes, or hunting for images. You type your topic, maybe a sentence or two about your goal, and Gamma generates a complete, well-designed presentation or document. It handles formatting, layout, visuals, and structure. Say you're preparing for a product pitch or creating a course outline. Instead of building each slide by hand, Gamma does the heavy lifting. You can edit what it gives you, or use it as a solid starting point. It works especially well for people who don't want to get stuck in design choices, but still need something clean and polished. It also means if you have an idea at night, you can turn it into a working presentation in under 5 minutes. No more waiting for a designer or spending hours in PowerPoint. AI Tool 2. Now let's talk about Durable. This one's made for anyone who needs a website fast. You type in your business name and what kind of business it is, and Durable gives you a full website in about 30 seconds. It includes your homepage, service descriptions, about section, and even your contact form. It's not just a static page either. You can edit any part of the site right away. If you want to swap out a photo or rewrite a sentence, it's simple. Durable also includes extra tools like invoicing, a CRM, and basic analytics. So, if you're starting a business and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars or wait weeks to go live, this is a quick, easy way to launch. For example, maybe you're opening a mobile car detailing business. You type that in, and Durable gives you a working site where people can learn what you do and contact you. You can make money online within an hour. It's that fast. AI Tool 3. The third tool is OpusClip. If you're a content creator, coach, or business owner using video, you'll understand how hard it is to repurpose long content. Let's say you record a 30-minute podcast or webinar. You want to turn that into short clips for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. OpusClip does that automatically. You upload your long video, and it scans through to find the most engaging parts. It then cuts those into short videos and adds subtitles, emojis, jump cuts, and zooms, all optimized for social media. What used to take hours now takes just a few clicks. This tool helps you reach new audiences by turning one long video into 10 or more pieces of short content. You stay consistent without needing a full-time video editor. It's especially helpful if you're trying to grow on multiple platforms at once. You focus on talking or teaching, and OpusClip takes care of the post-production. AI Tool 4. Next up is Supernormal. This tool automatically takes meeting notes for you. If you're someone who runs Zoom or Google Meet calls and then struggles to remember what was said, this will save you time. Supernormal connects to your calendar, joins your meetings, and creates full transcripts, key takeaways, and action points. After the call, you get a complete write-up in your inbox. It even tells you who said what. So let's say you're on a client strategy call. Instead of writing everything down while trying to stay engaged, you let Supernormal do the note-taking. Then you can copy the key tasks into your project manager or share the summary with your team. It works great for solo founders, coaches, or agencies who handle a lot of client work and internal planning. Plus, it keeps a record of past calls, which helps you avoid repeating questions or missing follow-ups. AI Tool 5. Flair.ai is built for product-based businesses that need branded images. If you've got an online store and you need high-quality product photography, Flair gives you mock-ups that look like they were shot in a professional studio. You upload a simple product photo, maybe a bottle of skincare or a shoe, and Flair generates backgrounds, shadows, lighting, and color schemes that match your brand. You can adjust the look and generate new variations quickly. Say you're launching a new product line. Instead of paying for a shoot or trying to take the photos yourself, you upload your flat images to Flair and get polished, creative visuals in minutes. This is especially useful for small e-commerce shops, social media managers, or anyone running Facebook or Instagram ads. Visuals matter, and Flair helps you produce a consistent, appealing look without hiring a team. It's also a great way to test different styles before committing to a full rebrand or photo shoot. AI Tool 6. Now, let's look at Taskade. This tool takes a traditional task manager and makes it smarter using AI. It combines notes, project tracking, checklists, and team collaboration into one workspace. You can create tasks, organize them by project, assign them to others, and get smart suggestions from the AI. It even helps you break large goals into smaller tasks. Let's say you're launching a new digital product. You can build a project roadmap, outline your content, and plan your launch all inside Taskade. You can chat with team members directly in the app, brainstorm ideas, and even generate copy for emails or landing pages right there in the project space. Taskade keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to jump between multiple tools. If you're tired of juggling Trello, Slack, Notion, and Google Docs all at once, this could simplify your entire workflow. AI Tool 7. Scribe is for anyone who needs to show others how to do something on a computer. You click Record, do the task once, and Scribe creates a full step-by-step guide automatically. It takes screenshots, writes out each step, and gives you a shareable link. If you're onboarding a new team member, training a virtual assistant, or just documenting your own processes, Scribe saves a lot of time. For example, maybe you want to show someone how to upload a blog post to WordPress. You record yourself doing it once. Scribe turns that into a clean guide with images and directions like click this, type that, and save here. It's like building your own knowledge base without having to write anything. You can edit the steps afterward, add branding, or save templates for your business. This is one of those tools that only takes a few minutes to use but can prevent hours of back and forth later. AI tool, NILC. Now, let's talk about Wordtune and Jasper. You're getting a 2-for-1 here. Wordtune helps you improve your writing. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, product descriptions, or social captions, Wordtune suggests ways to make your text clearer, shorter, more professional, or more casual, depending on what you need. Let's say you write an email and it feels a little stiff. You highlight a sentence, and Wordtune shows you better ways to say the same thing. You stay in control, but now you've got options. It helps you sound more natural without needing a copywriter. And because it works inside your browser, you can use it while writing in Gmail, LinkedIn, Google Docs, or wherever else you work. Wordtune is perfect for solo business owners who write everything themselves, or for teams that want to keep communication sharp without overthinking every message. Jasper is more focused on generating content from scratch. You give it a prompt, like, write a product description for a digital planner, or create a blog post about time management tips, and it generates full paragraphs in seconds. You can choose the tone, audience, length, and format. It can also help you come up with ideas, write ad copy, create sales pages, or draft email sequences. Jasper works best for marketers, creators, and businesses that write a lot of content and want to do it faster. You can pair it with Wordtune, too. Jasper writes your first draft, and Wordtune helps you polish it. Together, they cut your writing time in half. If you're someone who spends hours writing blog posts or launching campaigns, Jasper can help you produce more without lowering your quality. AI Toolni. Runway ML is an AI video editing tool, but it's not like the ones that just help you trim or cut. This tool helps you create effects that would normally take a professional editor hours to do. You can remove backgrounds, add motion effects, swap objects, and even generate new images using text prompts. Let's say you filmed a product video, but the lighting or setting wasn't great. Runway ML lets you change the background or remove distractions with a few clicks. You can also use it to build video ads or promo content for YouTube and Instagram. If you want to stand out with creative visuals, Runway gives you pro-level control without needing to learn complicated editing software. It's perfect for creators, course makers, and small businesses who want better videos without outsourcing the work. AI Tool 10. Be Human creates personalized video messages at scale. You record one base video, for example, welcoming someone to your program, and Be Human personalizes it by changing the name or other details for each viewer. It uses AI to sync your voice and mouth movement, so it looks like you said each name. Let's say you have 100 new leads. You want to send a personal welcome video to each one. You don't have time to record them individually, but with Be Human, you don't have to. You record the main message once, upload a spreadsheet of names or emails, and Be Human generates customized versions for each person. You can use this for onboarding, cold outreach, client updates, or thanking customers. People pay more attention when a video feels personal, and this tool helps you do that at scale without needing to repeat yourself. These 10 tools work across different parts of your business: content, communication, design, organization, and automation. Each one is simple to use, designed to save time, and helps you do work that used to require a team. The best part is, you don't need to be technical. You don't need to learn code, master design, or hire experts. You just need to know where to plug these in. Pick one area where you're losing the most time right now. Start with that. Use the tool that solves that one problem. Once you see how much time you get back, it becomes easier to add the next tool. Eventually, your workflow becomes smoother, your content becomes easier to produce, and your systems start to run without so much manual effort. Which of these tools do you think would save you the most time? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.